What is it?
It's the puppy.
The puppy? The camera doesn't know what the puppy is. Oh.
Is that that thing you've been talking about?
Yeah, this is one of the things I was talking about. I'm saving the bow without even turning it off.
I see that. Oh.
I told you.
What about you over there, princess?
Not that.
You.
I'm gonna need to cut one very short for Google.
At least keep the things separated.
It's for a sleepover. Look, it's for a sleepover.
Yeah?
Sleepover thing.
Well, show the camera. Mom's about to take over videotaping. Well, you should have thought about that when the battery was in charge last night. Show the camera what it is. Huh? I'm not really sure what that is.
It's a sleepover tent.
What's the other side look like? Oh, nope, just blank. Ah, sleepover tent, alright. Cool!
Now can I open them out?
Why don't you give Mom that one right there from Santa?
What?
No, the one that's from Santa. The one right behind you.
How about we open our stocking?
This?
The one is that Mom's Santa gift? There you go, baby.
Here. I don't know what it is. Trust me.
Yay!
I'll help you.
What's that smell? That's your breath?
You got that on camera there. Yay! What is it?
What the? Santa knows what I need.
What is it?
It is a
Can opener.
an electric can opener.
Yay, Santa! Santa's so
Rock
smart.
on and Hamilton Beach style.
Yay!
That's great. Santa's always thinking about me.
He is, doesn't he? You never forget.
Well, Rachel needs a can opener.
Yes, so.
Yes, sirree. You really do. He was right.
We really do.
Yep.
Hey, look, Jack's the president and Daisy.
Yep.
Jack and Daisy are present.
Okay.
What is that? Sim Animals Africa. A Wii game.
That's cool.
Awesome.
It was good to you.
Why don't you put that with other gifts so you don't accidentally throw it away?
What?
Why don't you put it over there so you don't accidentally throw it away?
Wait.
Oh, or clean up. That'll work. I'm not gonna stop you. I'm not gonna stop you from cleaning.
Can we open our stocking?
Yeah.
Alright, turn the camera off.
Alright, hold up a second, hon.